Good morning. I am Simpy. Welcome to EVS class. We have completed all the topics, exercise and hard words of this chapter. I gave you the assignment to learn hard words of this chapter. Have you learned? Yes? Can I ask some questions to you? Be ready. Now all of you look at this one. I'll show you the picture. And this is nameless activity for you. You have to name them. Now see this one. We can grow, move, breathe and reproduce. We can also feel emotions like anger, fear and happiness. What are we? First letter is L. Name it. What are we? What is the answer? Answer is living things. What is the answer? Answer is living things. See. All of you know about living things? These are living things. Living things can grow, move, breathe and reproduce. They can also feel emotions. So, you have to name it living things. Now, all of you look at this one. Name it. We do not need air, food, water, sunlight or shelter. What are we? Name us. Tell me what is the answer? Answer is non-living things. Non-living things do not need air, food, water, sunlight or shelter, and these are non-living things. Answer is non-living things. Now look at this one. We are tiny holes on the leaves. Plants breathe through us. Tell me, what are we? Name us. Tell me what is the answer of this one? Answer is stomata. Answer is stomata. Now all of you look at this one. This is the picture of a dog. Dog is moving its tail to show affections. Tell me what word is this? First letter is W. What is the answer? Answer is wag. Answer wag. Wag means shake. Now, all of you look at this one. Insects have pair of long, slender, segmented appendages on the heads of insects. What are we? Name them. What is the answer? Tell me what is the answer? Answer is antennae. Answer is antennae, right? Now we have completed this activity. All of you understood well? Now move on the next activity. Now all of you do this one. Am I living? Check the boxes by each picture to find out if it's living or not. First you have to identify this one, that this one is a living thing or not living thing. Then you have to do this one. Look at this one. First picture. Do I need food and water? Tell me what is this, living thing or non-living thing? This is a living thing. Now answer me. Do I need food and water? Yes. Living things need food and water. So you have to Check here. Do I need air? Yes. Do I grow? Yes. All living things grow. Do I reproduce? Yes. Am I living? Yes or no? Yes. You have to do like this way. Now look at this one, the second picture. Do I need food and water? No. Do I need air? No. Do I grow? No. Do I reproduce? No. Am I living? Yes or no? Then I am non-living. So answer is no. Now look at this one, the third picture. Do I need food and water? Yes. Do I need air? Yes. Do I grow? Yes. Do I reproduce? Yes. Am I living? Yes or no? Yes. Living things need food and water. Living things need air. Living things grow. Living things reproduce. Answer is yes. Now all of you have to do by yourselves. Do this one in your notebooks. Now next picture. Do I need food and water? Yes. Do I need air? Yes. Do I grow? Yes. Do I reproduce? Yes. Am I living? Yes or no? Yes. Now come on the next picture. Do I need food and water? No. Do I need air? No. Do I grow? No. Do I reproduce? No. Am I living? Yes or no? I am non-living thing. I am not living thing because non-living things do not need food and water, do not need air. They don't grow. They don't reproduce. Then come on the next picture. Do I need food and water? No. Do I need air? No. Do I grow? No. Do I reproduce? No. Am I living? Yes or no? No. I am non-living thing. Then last but not the least, do I need food and water? Yes. Do I need air? Yes. Do I grow? Yes. Do I reproduce? Yes. Am I living? Yes or no? I am living thing because these are the characteristics of living things. Now all of you understood this topic well, that what are the characteristics of living things and non-living things. How could you identify that this one is a living thing or non-living thing? Now you have to do this one, living and non-living things. Classify the living and non-living things from the word box, and you have to do these activities in your notebooks, right? Living things, non-living things. See, parrot, lion, book, air, table, boy, sun, burger, tree, bag, cat, snail. You have to write down this one, that these are living things or non-living things. Like, see, start from the parrot. Parrot is a living thing or non-living thing? Parrot is a living thing. So you have to write here. You have to write here, parrot. Then lion. Lion is a living thing. You have to write here. Book is a non-living thing. You have to write here. Air, living thing or non-living thing? Non-living thing. You have to write in the non-living thing column. Table, non-living thing. Boy, living thing. Then you have to write here. Sun, living thing or non-living thing? You have to write here. Burger, non-living thing. Tree, living thing. Bag, non-living thing. Cat, living thing. Snail, living thing. So you have to identify them and then you have to write down according to their characteristics in the living thing column or non-living thing column. So you should know all the characteristics of living things and non-living things, that how could you identify that this one is the living thing or non-living thing, right? All of you have to do this one in your notebooks. Today we have understood all the topics of this chapter with the help of activities. You have to do these activities in your notebook. And in the next class on Friday, I'll take the assessment of chapter 7 I'll take the assessment of chapter 7 on Friday. So all of you write down in your diaries. Class test will be on Friday of chapter 7. Class test will be on Friday. Chapter 7. All of you have to read this chapter properly, learn exercise and extra question answers of this chapter, watch all the videos of this chapter and understand all the concepts of this chapter, perform all the activities of this chapter and prepare yourself well and do well in the assessment. Now, this is the time to wrap up the session. Thank you. See you in the next class.